Ma'am. Ma'am, that is not ladylike. Oh.
True. What are you two doing?
She just started to lay on me like this and fell asleep.
¿Chuga? No quiere. ¿Pollito? Be gentle.
Excuse me.
Ella, do you like blueberries?
You want cheese? You want broccoli? Broccoli.
Gentle. Oh my god.
Just bite it. Gentle.
Tiny.
Gentle. Gentle.
Oh no. Oh no.
And that makes me question getting married.
Bagel.
They've always been here.
Bagel.
I mean, ever since the 70s.
Oh, you poor baby.
I want to record this.
Where is it?
Can we go outside?
Smiley, come here.
Come on, we're gonna walk away. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Oh my god. JJ. Ross. Bro. Bro, no way. Hey, it's gone. What the fuck?
Excuse me. Nala. Are you doing dishes? I hope so.
Ay, grabe, nanonood.
What are you doing? That is not how a dog sits, silly girl.
What are you doing, dude?
Are you human?
Clarence. What are you doing, Odin?
Happy Thanksgiving! Oh God! Dog on top of a dog. What is he doing?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
The best nap. Hello.
Stop. Stop, Dolu. Go again. That's it. Go.
Get back. Do not come in.
Slime. This your favorite show? Look at him, y'all watching this YouTube video. Soft ass dog. My fault, bro. He didn't call you that.
Get down. Down. Kevin. I'm trying to. Kevin.
I'm so hungry I can eat a dog. I'm so hungry I can eat a dog. Shit.
Oakley, come here. Come here.
Bro, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Ow! I'm so hungry. I could eat a damn dog.